So if you consider the word lovers, they say how many 6-letter words? 6-letter word, it means which we are going to be performing 6 tasks. Right? So we're going to have 6 spaces. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, and then it's what? It's 6. This is number 8. Right? How many 6-letter words arrangements can be made if the letters may be repeated? So if we are allowed to repeat a letter, in other words, it means which I can have a letter that I can have a word that says L, 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 L. I can have a word that says O, 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 because the letters may be what? Maybe repeated. So how many letters do we have? All in all, let's check. How many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means which the first space can be occupied by what? By what? When I go to choose for the second task, I'm going to perform the second task now. How many letters can I choose from if repetition is allowed? I still have 6. Ne? And then how many can I choose from now? 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 Then it's going to be 6 to the power of 1, 2, 3. 6 to the power of 6. Is what? 3,000. I can't hear you, sis. 6,000? 6,000. It's 4, 6, 6, 5, 6, like this. 46,656. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one, the number B. On number B, they say, how many 6-letter word arrangements can be made if the letters may not be repeated? Yes. Now, how many spaces do we have? Number B. We still have 6 spaces. Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ne? Repetition is not allowed. Once you use L, L is out. Ne? So you are going to have something like this. First, you are going to have 6. Ne? You take out the one that you have used. It can be L, it can be O. You take it out. Then what are you going to remain with, man? 5. You are remaining with 5. 4. You are remaining with what? 4. You are remaining with what? 3. 2. You are remaining with 1. Now, what do we call this machita? This thing here, we call it something called factorial. Ne? How did you get factorial? You had 6 spaces. You had 6 tasks to perform. Yes. Yeah, you can write it as 6 factorial. It's allowed. Now, what is factorial? Factorial, unlike the one that we were doing before, we had a situation whereby we had 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7. That one is not factorial because it didn't get to 1. Factorial, it says which you should go from 6 up until you get to what? To 1. So when you have the number of objects that you're arranging and then the spaces are exactly equal, then you can use factorial. So you can write this thing as 6 factorial, which I don't prefer. Me. What you get if you say 6 factorial? 720. Ne? So you'll get 1, 2. Next, number C. How many 4-letter words? Your brother have changed, man. Instead of creating 6-letter words, how many letter words are we creating, man? 4. How many things do we have, Tina? All in all, we have 6 objects, but how many words are we creating? 4. You can't use factorial because the tasks that you are performing and the objects that you have, they are not equal. So, yes, what?
Well, like number 8, we're having 6 spaces and then I'm given 6 letters.
Yes. Because repetition was allowed. Repetition was allowed, then we can't use factorial. We can only use factorial if repetition is not allowed. Yes. Okay. Now, especially with physical objects, you'll see it with people. When you're arranging 6 people and then you have 6 positions, then you will see which is going to be factorial. Because you can't repeat people. Those are physical objects. Yes. You can clone. We don't know about how is saying she can clone people. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Then how many are we creating? They say which we are creating a 4-letter word with 6 letters. So we have repetition being allowed. So if letters can be repeated, it means which we can have 6 here. Multiply by, multiply by, multiply by, and what you get? 1, 2, 9, 6. Sharp. Let's go to the last one. And then this is trying to show you when are you going to use factorial, when are you not going to use factorial. That was the main aim of this thing here. So with number T, how many 4-letter words arrangements can be made if letters may not be repeated? So may not be repeated, we can start to think about factorial. But the problem here is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The first position is going to be occupied by 6 letters. Multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 4. Multiplied by, this is not factorial. And then personal, I would prefer, let's not use the factorial. Let's stick to this because we're doing it practical. Yeah, but we're showing them which we had 5, we had 4, we had 3, we had 2, and then up until we get to the last one. And then all in all, what do we get for this one?
350.
We get 300 and what then? And 60. Then I will say, let's start this one. Yeah, let's consider this one. The word oranges